morning, guys! Having breakfast for this morning, and my husband is a little bit busy today, so yeah. This is our food for this morning. Usually these are the buffet in the restaurant. Fried chicken, pancake, bacon, potato, and eggs. This is his over easy eggs. So, what can you say, honey?
Bon appetit!
Bon appetit, everyone! Okay, let's tour the room for a moment. Okay, I'll give you a tour, guys. Ino-open ko talaga yung window para maliwanag siya, so that we have a natural lighting. So when you go in, of course you can see the bed with 3 pillows, aircon, chair, small table, big table here, grocery stuff. Those plastic bag has a rice cooker so that I can cook rice. Flat TV, cabinet here. You can put inside here your stuff. Has a big room. 3 storage. The small refrigerator. Yeah. So dinadala ko pa talaga yung mga grocery namin, mga leftover grocery para hindi siya masira sa truck. And here the microwave. Choices of you can call the, I think this is the menu. They have the free menu for food outside. Here, pizza, Chinese food, and sink here, coffee maker, small cups, free coffee, facial tissue, hand towels, and hand soap. Shower room. Let me turn on the lights. And because we are in the second floor, guys, I will show you my second floor view. Malapit lang ito sa truck stop. Ayan, this is my view. Truck stop siya. Diyan yung truck namin. Nandyan yung trailer namin. Dinadrop muna saglit. Kung makikita niyo yun, yung bundok na yan. Itong California, pinalibutan sila ng bundok. Nakalimutan ko dalhin yung shower bag, guys. Yes, guys, we are here in a motel. We get a room for today. Doon sa shop yung truck namin kasi may something wrong sa aircon. Nag-on and off siya. So, kailangan i-fix yun bago kami aalis. So, anyway, I'm gonna lay down for a while. Relax. Relax for a while. Lay down for this big bed. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye!